Hello and welcome to this series of videos in which I seek to demonstrate participation in an SAP Ariba reverse auction from the perspective of a supplier. In this video, I shall demonstrate the Dutch reverse auction. In other videos, I demonstrate simple and complex English reverse auctions and Japanese reverse auctions. A Dutch reverse auction is quite different to the English reverse auction counterpart. There is no rank shown, no opportunity to improve prices in the face of competition, just a single bid to accept a price. The first supplier to place the bid wins the item at that price. There are no further chances. The Dutch reverse auction has a low price start. All bidders have an opportunity to accept the price for a defined period of time. If that time elapses without a bid, then the price is increased. The auction continues in this way until a price is accepted or a ceiling price is reached. Reverse auctions are highly configurable. This means that it is impossible to cover every possible permutation available to a buyer in this video, but through a number of simple example auctions, I shall demonstrate the main features and most common permutations. I'll be showing how to review lots and items, the auction content, and how to bid. Most SAP Ariba auctions are preceded by an RFP. This means that the seller has already taken part in an SAP Ariba event, so I don't intend here to duplicate the first login processes. I've clicked through to my auction. The first thing that I want to highlight is the preview status and the time remaining in that status. Preview status means that this particular auction is not yet open for bidding, but will be in another 4 minutes and 12 seconds. The clock in the top right corner of your auction screen is useful throughout the event, as it tells you how long is remaining in the current status of the event. In this screen, we can view the basic content of our auction. You see here two items with quantities of 110 respectively. We may be able to see some details on event timing and bidding rules. On the left sidebar, we can navigate through the stages of the auction, although for the Dutch reverse auction, it is more common that we navigate by clicking stepwise through our event. In this case, our next step is to review prerequisites by clicking the blue button highlighted. It is quite normal for the next step to be an agreement that must be accepted for you to gain access to the event, so accept and OK. The final activity at this stage is to accept your invitation to the lots or items that you wish to bid on. If you do not select everything, then you may be asked to explain why you have refused your invitation. Having completed your prerequisites, the event is not yet open. This event shows 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining in the preview phase. The event is now open. There are 9 minutes and 51 seconds remaining for the item. The second red box in the center of the screen contains all of the auction details, which I shall take a closer view of on the next slide and explain. We see a quantity of 100 items with a current price in the auction of 2,000 each. That gives us the extended price of 200,000, so the price multiplied by the volume. This is the total value of the item at the current price. The current price is valid for a further 51 seconds, as shown by the time until next adjustment. The next price will be 2,200 each, so an extended price of 220,000. We can deduce this from the bid adjustment value, which at 200 will add another 200 to each item, or 20,000 in total. The final piece of information is the ceiling value set at 4,000. If no supplier accepts a price by the time the auction reaches 4,000, the auction will close rather than allowing the price to increase further. As a minute has passed, the first price increment has been triggered. I've expanded the item details in the red box to show this. As a bidder in this auction, I have no sense of where my competition may accept the price. Accepting the price ends the auction for this item, so to ensure that I win the item, I will accept the lowest price that is economically viable to me. Allowing it to go higher is to my advantage, but increases the risk that a competitor will beat me to it. I accept the price by clicking on the Submit Acceptance button shown in the red box. Having identified my price, I've clicked on Submit Acceptance and then on OK in response to the pop-up. As the winning supplier, I can see the accepted price and that I have placed a successful bid in my bid history. The other suppliers in the auction see this view, showing only the ceiling value and bid adjustment, but not the price at which the auction finished for this item, and no information on the winning or any other bidder. Thank you for watching this video. Others in the series cover simple and complex English reverse auctions and Japanese reverse auctions. If you have any further questions at this stage, please contact the buyer responsible for your auction for more information.